Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to buy a eSIM that will work in Malta. The link and coupon will be in the description. Alright, let's go. Open description and click on link and copy coupon. Click on link eSIM and open voyafly.com. Alright, and click on this where you're traveling to and write Malta. And click on this. Scroll down and choose data type, unlimited or fixed. Just click on unlimited and choose a speed plane, light, plus, premium. I'm selected everyday premium and select days. I'm select 30 days and click on buy it now. This service number one for eSIM, okay, and click on this and write raw tips activation in 5 minutes. eSIM, right? Discount code ROM tips and click on apply. And total price $150.25. Yeah, this is cheap price. And click on Google Pay and buy a SIM or write email, write payment, write billing address and click on buy now. And open new page and buy a SIM and send your emails, QR code, his SIM and instruction activation, and that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Bye bye.